The 2020 Silverado MD. The Chevy Silverado MD provides all the necessary functionality and power that you'll need for your medium-duty needs. Better yet, customize it to make it work perfectly for you. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, traction control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.